If you think your day is going bad, just watch these kittens. From falling through floorboards to failing at gravity, these tiny felines are the definition of chaos. Watch this one try to escape. Wait for it. And down he goes. Or how about this mom cat just trying to keep it together while her kittens launch a full-scale wrestling match? Whether they're getting showered in milk or landing straight in the trash bin, they never stop being adorable. Comment meow if you love cats. And don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of cat ostrophes.
Why?